Hi everyone, this is Jack from Maths Forge, and in today's lesson we're going to be doing substitution. So let's take a look at our first example. We're being told that a is equal to 3. And then we're being asked to find a squared plus 10. So this is just a matter of replacing the a in this expression with the number that has been assigned to it. So instead of writing a squared plus 10, I'm going to write 3 squared plus 10. Because of course the a can be replaced with a 3. And so 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. And then we have the plus 10, which we haven't used yet. And then 9 plus 10 gives us 19. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do another 1-star example. We're being told that a is equal to 12. So now we have to find 14a squared. So this is going to be 14 multiplied by a squared. But then a can be replaced with 12. So it's going to be 14 times 12 squared. And if you remember your order of operations, you should always do indices first before multiplication. So we're going to do 12 times 12, which is 144. And then we have 14 multiplied to that. And if we do 14 times 144, we'll end up with 2016. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now let's do a 2-star example. Here we're being given that a is equal to 60 when b is equal to 5. So let's find a over b. Well, a over b can be replaced by the numbers 60 over 5. And of course, 60 divided by 5 is equal to 12. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do another 2-star example. For this example, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 9. So we have to find ab. AB is essentially just a multiplied by b. So if we replace a with a 4 and b with a 9, we end up with 4 times 9, which is 36. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now let's do a 3-star example. For this example, a is equal to 16 and b is equal to 11. So now we have to find a over 4 plus b. Well, a over 4 can be written as 16 over 4, since a is equal to 16, plus b, which is 11. And if you remember the order of operations, we'll do division before we do addition. So 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4 plus 11, which should give us 15. And if we check our answer, there it is. And that's it for the lesson on substitution.